I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, languages, add language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. As you can see, it's pretty big, so let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your system language you have to just select it here and language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, you firstly have to go to the налаштування, then to the системні, no, not this one, мови та введення, мови, and select English. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.